Hello friend, welcome back. I'm really glad that you are here. In this video, I want to discuss about after end of this course what type of project you will build. So friend, we will create one complete multi-vendor e-commerce project with using that MERN stack, and you will build everything from to the scratch. And in here, in our front end, I have actually used that React.js, and also in our backend, I have used that Express.js because that is one of the MERN stack project. And also I have designed everything with using the Tailwind CSS. Please give me some time to explain you what type of resources I have actually added in particular this course. So friend, here you can see that will be our front end, and that is also very much responsive. That will be our front end, our portal project, and that will be our seller locking panel, and also that will be another panel for the admin. And that will be everything will be one of the single page application. Please give me some time to explain you what type of things I have actually covered in particular this course. Like here you can see there are some of the category options. So by this category you can actually get all that your category related data. Here if you click it, and you can see without loading that page, it will be written direct to our another page. Right now for particular this category, and in this category they have the 3 product, and 3 product is successfully visible. And here if you go to our home page, and that is our banner, into this banner area, that is actually also totally dynamic. So this banner actually created by the seller will be able to add some of the product, and that is our product related some of the banner will be displayed. And you can see that will be our details page. So here that is a multiple images you can actually load it, and that is our details information, that is our shop name is visible, that is the available stock, the how many stock that have, that will be also displayed. So first of all, one by one I want to share it, then everything will be more clear. So like that is our locking panel, that is locking panel for the seller locking. And here I have also added multiple validation. Like if you put some of the name, like I name it as a seller, okay, I name it as a seller1@gmail.com. Here if you put inappropriate some of the password, click it, without refreshing that page, it should be displayed as a password is wrong. And here when you put appropriate password, like here I put it as appropriate password, and now I make it as a inappropriate some of the email address. Now click as a logging, and you can see it's also getting another validation as email not found. Now when you put that appropriate email address and appropriate password, after that click as a logging, and it's also successfully displayed as a locking success. So friend, that will be our seller dashboard. Okay, here they have the so many functionality, and also there is our another our dashboard that will be for the admin, and that is our admin dashboard will be as a admin/logging. And here the same functionality, if you put some of the inappropriate email address password, that will be displayed as email not found. Okay, here we have to put our appropriate email address. Like right now I make it as aryan@gmail.com. Here if you put inappropriate password, then that will be also displayed as a password wrong. Here you have to add that appropriate password, and now click as a locking, and now you can see here that will be our admin dashboard. So that is our admin dashboard as a Kazi Aryan, and here there is also another dashboard that will be for the seller. And into the seller area, they have some of the add products. So from to this area, a seller will be able to add some of the product. They have the multiple functionality. That is our product name, the product brand. From here, you can select that category, and from here, you can select that is stock, the price, the discount, the description. From here, you can also add that images, which is very interactive. One of the things here, if you click it, like for irrigation purpose, I want to choose some of the images as a 3, and you can see there is a 3 images will be displayed. From here, if you want to remove it, you can also able to remove it, and that will be our all products. So into this all product area here, also I have discussed about that things with you, how can create that pageination. So right now there is some of the pageination. You can see pageination is visible, and how can load some of the data table, and this is each and everything I will actually create it from to the scratch. So that is our dashboard design. I will also create it from to the scratch. That will be our front end. I will also create everything with using the Tailwind CSS from to the scratch. And also there is another one that will be our dashboard, that means our admin dashboard. Okay, so as I told you, they have the so many functionality, but one by one I want to share that things with you. So that is our all products. So from here, if you want to edit this product, you can also able to edit this product. If you want to change some of the images, from here you can actually change it. So from here, if you want to assign some of the banner, you can see, as I told you, so that is our homepage banner, that is totally dynamic. From to this area, seller can able to add some of the banner. And also here if you go, and there is another one here, if you want to search it by the name, you can also search it. That is our data table. Here you can see that is also successfully loaded. So they have I didn't use any package. How to create this type of another data table in React.js. I hope you will like it very much. And also there is a page ignition is also successfully working. And then that is our all that order. So this specific, that is our seller related, all that our order will be displayed here. If you go to the details page, all that our details page, that means order details will be displayed, how many product that have, that will be displayed. From here you can update that status as per your demand. Okay. And also they have some of the payment option, which is very interactive and advanced level one of the things. So from to this area, seller can able to send some of the message to the admin. I will also discuss about that things with you. That is our chat customer. So from here you can also chat with the communicate with the customer. Like right now that is our one customer is active. Here if you open it, you can also create the live communication with this customer. Okay, and also the seller will be able to create another communication with the admin for the chat support. You can see, so that is actually one of the live chat communication. I have also covered it in particular this course. And from here, that is our profile option. And into this profile option area here, I have also shared very advanced level one of the things. First of all, this seller have to active their payment account. So here first time that will be displayed as a inactive. When you click it as a active, then first of all you have to create the connection with the Stripe account. When your Stripe account will be connected with your profile, then that will be automatically updated as active. So that is our all that user related, that means seller related data. We can manage it from our admin. Admin will be also get their all order. So that is our all order, and this order related, if there have any multiple product, you can also able to get it. Like that is some of the order details. So admin will be get a customer all that order, and also he will be get that seller related all that our order. And from here admin will be also able to create some of the categories. So from here, and he will be able to create that category, the designation, the search option, everything is totally dynamic. That is the seller. So from here admin will be able to update the seller. Like right now here I am already logging as a seller one. Right here if you go right now here I am logging as a seller one, and from to this position admin will be able to update their information. Like here I make it as a deactive this user. Now click as a submit, and you can see there is a seller status updated successfully. And now that is our status as a deactive. So when that will be as a deactive, seller will be not able to access multiple pages. Like right now if you refresh it and you can go, you can see the seller is not able to display the dashboard. He cannot able to add any add product, all product, discount product is not visible. Only he will be able to access that our order. Okay, order page will be display, payment will be not display. He will be not able to also create the live chat communication with the customer, and only he will be able to live chat communication with the admin. So that is very interactive and live type communication, and he only will be able to access the profile page. Okay, so here how to do this work, I will also discuss about that things with you. And right now if you make it as active, like I make it as active, admin will be able to handle this status. And now that is our status is active. And now if you refresh it, and now you can also able to display all that our rest of these pages. Okay, and also there is total, everything is totally dynamic. There is a recent order is visible, recent live chat communication is visible, how many sale there have, how many product for a specific this seller, how many order there have, everything is visible. And if you go to that our live chat, there is chat support for the admin, and if you go to that our admin, in our admin area, if you go to that our live chat, and you can see right now this seller is active. So that is the reason it's now successfully visible as active icon. And if you now go right now, I want to better copy it, and here I close it. Right now this seller is not exist, and if you now go, you can see our active icon is also totally gone. Okay, so here that is our, with using that socket I have actually done this job. Now if you go, now that should be again as active. And now from here that our admin can create the communication with the seller. Like here from to this position I want to pass on the message, like that is our seller, and seller when you will be passed that message as a hi admin. Okay, name it as a hi admin. Now click as a send, and now you can see it's successfully visible, and without refreshing that page, now that should be also visible it in here. You can see that is also successfully visible as a hi admin, and when admin will be sent that message as a hello, now click as a send message. Now that is successfully visible as a hello, and now if you go, you can see without refreshing that page, that is the live communication is established, and that is also visible as a hello. And also, as I told you, our dashboard, they have the 3 dashboard. One is for our user dashboard, another will be for our seller dashboard, another will be for our admin dashboard, and each and every dashboard is totally responsive. Here if you go, you can see that is totally responsive. There is a message option is responsive, that is our menu is totally responsive, and also for the seller, if you go to our seller, and that is also responsive. You can see right now they have the 2 our tab, one is the admin, another is the seller. So from here if you pass it as a I need your help, now click as a send, I need your help, and now that is display as a I need your help. And from here I make it as a please tell me, and now if you click as a send message, and you can see there is a live chat or communication is happening as a please tell me. Okay, so how to do this work, I will also discuss about that things with you, and you can see that is very much responsive. And now I want to also discuss about that our user, and into this user area here, each and everything is totally dynamic. There is a top category here. From to this position, if you click it, that will be return redirect to our category page. And one of the most important things that is in our home page, if you go to our shop page, here I have also discussed about that things with you. That is our all that category. Okay, that is one of the filtering option, and this filter page is also responsive. Here if you go, you can see that is very much responsive, and that is our all that menu is successfully loaded, and that is our product filter option. That is our product filter option is loaded. And filter, you can filter it by the category. Here you can see if you selected some of the category, you can see this category related product will be displayed, and each and everything will be happen without loading that page. Now there is a top wear related product is visible, footwear related product is visible, and also here if you want to get it by the price range, like right now there is a price range, I want to get it, and you can see appropriate whatever the price range you will be selected, this price range related all that product that will be displayed. And not only that, you can also able to get it by the rating. That means here if you select it as a 3 rating, so there is a 3 rating related product will be displayed. If you select it as a 4 rating product will be displayed. If you select as a 5 rating product will be displayed. Okay, here how to do this work, I will also show you that things with the live example. And not only that, you can also able to get it by the low to high price. You can see there is a low to high price is visible, and also they have some of the pageination is also successfully working. Okay, how to load some of the pageination, I will also discuss about that things with you. There is our high to low price, and that is our high to low price is visible. Okay, there is a guard view, and there is a list view. Everything is totally dynamic. Okay, how to do this work I will show you. And if you go to our home, and from here, as I told you, seller will be able to create all that our banner. From here, if you go to our banner, like right now that is one of the banner. If you want to change some of the banner, you can also able to change this banner. Okay, so that is a banner. When you select it, a specific this banner related, our product details page is visible. You can see there is a product details page is visible. And now if you go right now, there is a category, there is a feature product, they have the multiple options, and also here there is some of the latest product will be display, how to load some of the carousel. I will also discuss about that things with you. There is a top rated product, so top rated product will be displayed, discount related product will be displayed, and that is our footer part. And also they have some of the search options here. If you want to search it, like here I want to search it by the name as a movie. Okay, here that is a search will be executed in 2 different way. When you select some of the category, it will be search only a specific this category rather than that will be for the all. Like here I search it for the all. If you search it, now you can see it's now successfully get one of the data. But here if you search it in particular one of the category, like here I select one of the category as a mobile category, and now if you search it, now you can see it's not getting that our product. As I told you here, specific this category related, you can also search it. Like right now for this product, if you go to our details page, and that is a category as a speaker category, right? So here now if you select it as a speaker category, if you search it in by this name, then that will be get this our appropriate product. Okay, how to do this work, I will also show you that things with a live example. And now if you go to that our logging, here you can logging and you can also able to register some of the new users. So that is our register page for the user. Okay, and also you can generate, that means register for the our seller, that have also another link as a register as a seller, register as a logging as a seller, and there is a register part if you want to logging. So I have already created one of the account before as a user. Now I want to logging as a user. Okay, now if you click as a logging, and you can see it's also successfully visible as a user logging successful. Each and everything is totally dynamic. And now if you go to that our user dashboard, so that will be our dashboard for the user. As I told you, they have the multi-vendor authentication system. So here that will be dashboard for the seller. This will be dashboard for the user, and also another dashboard that will be for the admin. Okay, friend. Now if you go to that user, and into this user dashboard, they have some of the order specific this user related, all that our order will be displayed. That will be our order details will be displayed as a my order wish list products. So from here, that is some of the two of this wish list here. If you want to remove it, you can also remove that our wish list, and this data also that should be updated. And from here, if you go to that our chat, which is very interactive, you can also, that means user can also able to live communicate with the seller. Right now that is one of the seller, and this seller shop name as a Daraz, and that is the reasons is now also display as a Daraz, and Daraz is now active. Okay, here again if you want to remove it, then you can see that will be gone. Okay, so that is a live communication. Also you can do this work. User, that means customer, can also live communicate with the seller. Now if you go to that our Daraz, like here I want to send some of the message as a hello. Okay, hello. Now click as a send message, and message is sent as a hello. And now if you go like as a here as a chat customer, so like right now there is a chat customer as a user, and user also send on the message as a hello. And also here I have discussed about another that things with you. Right now when you select it as a send some of the message as a hello, then you can see our that is the our first user will be in our top. Like right now if you send some of the message with our another seller as a easy shop, I make it as a easy. And now if you click as a send, now you can see now it's become into the top as a easy. So here also I have discussed about another notification. Right now you are opening the tab for the easy shop. Right now you just send some of the message to the easy. So in the meantime, that is another seller as a Daraz. When he sends some of the message, you can also get notified as a hi user. Okay, name it as a hi user, click as a send message, and if you go, you can see it's also display as a Daraz send a message. That means also it should be display some of the notification. And now if you go, and here you can see it's also successfully visible as a hi user. And this communication is will be also as a live communication. That means real-time communication you can establish with the customer to the seller, seller to the customer, and also seller will be create the live communication with the admin. Okay, is very interactive, one of the things. And also there is a change password, there is a logout functionality. Right now if you go to that our home, like right now they have the one product in our list, and from here I want to add another one, like I just make it as a add, and you can see it's display as a product added in your wish list. If you select it, that is our product add wish list success. And if you also added another one, so that will be displayed as a product is already in your wish list. That means now if you go you're here, and now that is our wish list page. From here they have the 3 product. If you want to remove it, you can also able to remove it. Okay, how to do this work I will show you. And also right now if you go, I want to take some of the product, like here I want to take this product as a, there is a details page. Okay, so that is our from to the details page. Here have also another functionality, like right now for particular this product there is a mini play, or our name will be displayed, how many review that have review will be dynamic, the price will be displayed, there is a short description will be displayed, our shop name will be displayed, and also this page is also responsive. Each and every page will be responsive. As I told you, that is our menu, that is our category, and each and everything is totally responsive. Here you can see there is great thing, and that is as one of the multi-vendor shop, and into this multi-vendor shop area that is display our shop name and how many product there have. Like right now you can also manage that our stock from to our backend. Like here for this product as a available stock as a 8. So now if you want to take it as a 8 product, and after that 8 automatically that will be display as a out of stock. That means you have to purchase only 8 product in your cart. Okay, and also I have discussed about that buy now functionality. From here you can also start the live chat communication with the seller, which I have already discussed about that things with you. When you select it, then a specific this seller related live chat will be executed. Okay, how to do this work I will show you again. If you go, and also there is a rating and review, which is very important, one of the things. And this seller, that is our glow, that is a glow related others product that will be displayed in here, and also a specific this category related. That means that is actually category as a speaker, and speaker category related another rest of this product that will be displayed. So how to do this work I will also show you that things with the live example, and that is our description part. So that is our total description, and that is our review part, and that is our review is also very dynamic. Like right now if you make it as a 5-star, I just make it as a I am happy. Okay, I am happy. Now if you click as a submit, now you can see there is a review added successfully, and now automatically that will be displayed in here as a user as a I am happy, and also that will be counting. You can see they have the 4 as a 5-star. So right now there is a 4 5-star is visible. Our total average value will be also updated. That means our average rating will be updated out of 5. Now that is our 3.7 in average, and how many 5-star that have, that will be automatically updated. How many 1-star that have, that will be also updated. Okay, right now they have the 4. I want to better take it as a 3 right now. 1, like right now they have the no as a 3. I make it as a 3. I make it as a how nice. Okay, I make it as a nice. This type of one of the, or better I copy this type one of the our comment. Now click as a submit. Now the review added successful, and you can see there is a 3 as a 1 review, and that is the review is visible, and also that is successfully updated. Okay, so how to add this type of one of the advanced review functionality, I will also discuss about that things with you. I hope you get the point. They have the so many things. Okay, here they have the so many things I have actually covered for particular this course. Now if you want to add to cart it, you can add to cart it from to this area. Like I want to make it as a add to cart successfully. Now that is successfully visible as a add to cart without loading that page. And now I want to take another one, like that is also another product. From here you can also able to add to cart. So there is a add to cart successfully, and also I want to take another one. So there is also add to cart successfully. From here if you go to that our cart page, so that will be our cart page. Right now they have the 2 seller. You can see that is also very important. One of the things, there is the 2 seller. One is the glow. So this product actually created by this glow seller, and this product is created by the easy seller. Okay, so now both of this seller data will be visible. So from here if you want to increment it, you can update that, increment it. You can also increment your quantity. If you want to decrement it, you can also able to decrement, and all that our everything will be automatically updated. Like right now from here I want to remove one, then you can also able to remove it. Our 3 item right now is in here. That is our 1. That have added the quantity as a 2. Okay, and also there is a free shipping. Free shipping will be as a $40 as a fixed, and that is our total amount is visible. So from here you have to go to that our process to checkout. So that is our process to checkout page. From here you have to fill up all that information. For irrigation purpose I want to select it, some of the information, and here after that, and you can see there is a place order will be not executed. First of all you have to complete your total shipping information. When you successfully complete it, and after that if you save it, then you can able to actually purchase this order. That means then that will be displayed as a place order. Okay, now from here if you have to go to that place order, and from here you can pay it by the Stripe, you can pay it by the COD, that means cash on delivery. So here when you select it as a Stripe payment, click as a start payment, and now if you click as a pay, and you can see there is an email address. I simply added that our Stripe email address, that will be as a card. For now I want to use it as a 4242. Okay, I want to use some of the text. our card number, and expiry date as a 5, and I just make it as a 25. Okay, that will be as a 25, and CSV 123, and there is some other country name. Automatically that will be get, and now if you click as a pay now, that will be successfully done. And here you can see it's also successfully visible as a order confirm. Okay, now if you go to that our home, now that will be our new order, and there is a new order is successfully visible. Okay, here I have already paid this order, so that is actually our total amount, and this amount also that should be received in your Stripe account. And also most interactive thing, as I told you, in our seller, into the seller, now if you go to that our, but I refresh it, and if you go to that our payment, and our total sale amount will be display, our total available amount will be display, how many withdraw you can actually add that withdraw, and that will be our pending amount. That means this seller already earned this amount. Okay, now this seller wants to withdraw this amount for a specific this seller account. So the seller is also will be, as I told you, seller will be also connected with the Stripe account. So here all that our seller related amount that will be also successfully added in that specific seller Stripe account. Okay, here that is very interactive, one of the advanced things. I hope you will like it very much. Now if you go, and from here I want to understand some of the request. Like right now I have that as a 1794. So from here I want to understand some of the amount like as a 4. Okay, I make it as a 4 amount. So $4 I want to submit for the request. So that is our pending all that request, that is our withdraw request. Okay, simply just look at this, all that our data now that will be updated. If you click as a send, now I simply add that our withdraw request send as a $4, and now that is successfully visible in here. You can see there is a pending order. So now that is a pending order is visible as a $4. And now if you go to that our admin account, and if you now go to that our seller request, that means if you go to that our payment request, and you can see admin will be also get this type of one of the amount as a $4 is now is into the pending mode, and also it successfully display the date, and from here admin will be confirm it. So when admin will be confirmed, that is the $4 will be executed for particular this seller Stripe account. Okay, now I want to make it as a confirm. Now that is request confirm successful, and now if you go to that our as a seller and into the seller area here, now if you go, you can see it's automatically redirected to the pending request to the our success withdraw. So from here, that is a success withdraw is visible. That is our pending amount right now as a 150, as a 150 is visible. Withdraw is successfully updated. Available amount is also successfully updated. So here that is actually our available amount. So if you also put like as a 170, right now we don't have any sufficient balance, and if you click it, then that will be also display as an insufficient balance. So as I told you, is very interactive and very advanced level one of the project I have actually created ever. I hope you like it very much, and each and every part is totally responsive. You can also check it into the mobile view. Okay, here if you see checked it, and our total site is very much responsive. Okay, here each and everything is visible. That is our card is visible like that way for the mobile view. Okay, here you can see, and also from here if you want to access that our menu, you can also access that menu. So that is a menu is totally dynamic. That is our category is totally dynamic. Our product related everything is totally dynamic. Okay, I hope this is something you are interested in. Okay, I hope you like it very much. So that's all that our project, and each and everything we will develop it from to the scratch. So that will be our front-end part, that will be our seller part, and that will be our admin part. So friend, I hope this is something you are interested in. So if you want to build your skill in MERN stack, I hope this course will help you a lot. I have put lot of effort to make you successful. Let's start a great journey with me. So thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.